good thing is that okay na yung kanilang anak. It's always tough na yung anak mo nasa hospital and you have work to do. And the good news is that they're back home and maayos na yung kanilang baby.
Andre Hoson finds a streaking Jobin Loria, nakaaga ulit.
Tsaka mga assisted rin yung mga basket niya except for that one. That was a fast break. But you look at the top 3 scorers of Iloilo kanina.
Levy sizing up the defense of Kobe Monhe. Still with the basketball. Goes up strong, puts it in, plus a foul.
Because Levy Hernandez is now going to work. Couple of dribbles, going to that footwork. Try to get as close as he can inside the... Get a quick shout out to the wife of Monster Basister, si Kate Solatorio Basister. He's watching from Osaka, Japan. And nandito sa likod namin si Monster.
9 of his 17 points already. Buena bounce pass, fadeaway jumper. That was well challenged, but Agoncillo making it work. CJ Agoncillo and Clark Derigue ang magkakasama sa loob for the Black Bulls. Pat Buena finally buries a tray from the corner.
Ayun na nga yung sinasabi mo kanina, no? Makarating lang sa line.
Agoncillo tracks down the miss. Oson, pasa palabas. Lastra hits it from downtown.
They're watching their coach, Coach Dan Sara. At natutuwa ako na nakita ko ang aking mga kapatid na bedista dito sa Taytay.
Basta talaga, San Beda, Coach Mike.
Oo naman. Siyempre naman.
Palagay ko, down the road, makakalaban ni Riley ang mga yan.
Tingin ko, magka-age group eh.
Commissioner Benji Bacas.
Yep.
Hernandez sa loob. Lista mo na yan. 2 points. May foul pa.
Talaga. Dahil alam naman natin yung patuloy na yan para sa kanila sa iyo.
Player of the game brought to you by Sports Plus, the officials. Rizal had a home game here. Sino kalaban nila? Nalimutan ko sino kalaban nila. San Juan. Tama, San Juan. They went up against San Juan. Levy Hernandez in a losing effort against Binyan. Nung laban na laman nila sa may Kawayan Marilao. 22 points, 10 rebounds. Just 14.3% from beyond the arc. Kobe Monhe only 27.3%. So that will help space up the floor for them if they could figure out and knock down shots from the outside. Levy Hernandez, gumana kanyang pabandang tira, pabanda rin naman.
And I like that you pointed out yung challenge nga pagdating sa shot making para dito sa Quezon City Black Bulls. The percentage does not really say, oh my goodness, Levy Hernandez sa fade, saka siya atake. There you go, went to that footwork and quite a difficult shot.
Si Monhe nakabantay sa kanya. Switch. Agoncillo trying to keep in step. Hernandez.
Oh my.
Step through move. Counted plus a foul.
Look at him. He's going solo actually. Trying to figure out a way. Creating his own shot. Magkasama sila dati sa 9, di ba?
Oh.
Ang layo ng pasa mo, Clark.
Layo din ito. Kit Jimenez. And the third quarter in the books.